Hi, this is just going to be a video showing how you can do dual recording on the Triax TR212 or the TR212S Saorview box, okay? So initially, you know from reading on our website that it's a dual tuner box, okay? And what that means is you can record one and watch another, okay? But what a lot of people don't know, and it's not set up by default on the box, is you can actually do dual recording, okay? So just to illustrate there, I'm just going to try and record this channel here, okay? So there it is starting, and that's fine. So this would be by default on your box, okay? So I'm just going to go to another channel now while RT1 is still recording, and I'm going to try and record that. And it says not valid, enter recorder, which means that by default, you know, you can just record one channel, okay? But the benefit of the dual tuner means you can actually watch a different one, okay? So I'm just going to stop that recording there now. So that's fine. So how do we go about being able to dual record? So what you need to do basically is about a third of the way down on your remote control from the top, there's a button called USB, and it brings up this menu here when you press it. So the first thing is, if you have anything on your hard drive or something like this, you probably want to format it to start off, just, you know, give it a fresh start. So just be aware, if you do have something on it, you're going to lose all the information when you do this, so you'd probably be better off to back it up before you do this, okay? And for dual recording, you want a fairly good drive, okay? It may or may not work on memory sticks, okay? They can have various different specifications of speeds and things like this, so because you're actually recording twice the data, they may or may not be good enough to do it. So what I have actually plugged in here is a USB external hard drive, and I've tested this and it works well. It's the one we sell on our website, the 320 gigabyte one, okay? So how do we go about this? So the first thing is I'm just going to format it, and I'm just going to format it to FAT32. So you can see down towards the bottom there's a blue button beside FAT32, so I'm just going to press that. You want to format this partition? Yes, and it just takes a few moments. And there it is then. So all you have to do at this point, you can see there the line that's highlighted that says /UDSKA1, okay, that's my hard drive, okay. There's a little folder symbol beside it on the left that's kind of grey at the moment. So what you simply want to do is press the red button for PVR1. Just wait a few moments. Okay, and you can see the icon has now gone red. So what that means is it has configured the drive for one PVR, okay, which means, you know, you can just record one, watch another. So that's basically it. But what you want to do dual recording, well, you can see there at the bottom there's a green button beside PVR2. If you press that, it'll take a few moments again, and it says partition set. And now you can see the icon is red and green, which means that it is enabled for dual recording. So if you press exit then to get out of that, we'll just test it here now. So I'm currently on TV3 and I'm going to record this. And just give it a few seconds to kick in. So that's fine. And I'll just go down to RTE1 just for argument's sake. And we're going to try and record that. And you can see now it's initializing the recorder, and both of them are actually playing, or both of them are actually recording, I should say, okay? So the beauty of this now is I'm recording two channels and I can actually watch another one. Now it's hard to say in the future what's going to happen here, because I'm talking here at the very start of January 2013, and there's these extra things called muxes to get turned on in the future. There's no set date at the moment, so we can't tell you when this will happen. It could be the medium term, it could be the long term, it's hard to know. But when it happens, what may happen is you may only be able to dual record. You may not be able to watch an additional channel also. So we just have to see what happens when that all kicks in. But at the moment, certainly you can record two and watch another. So in the future you may only be able to record two and then actually watch one of the ones you're actually recording. So just to prove that we're actually recording both of them, I just press the stop button and it's asking me which one do I want to stop. So I'm just going to say all, and there they are stopped now. So there's other videos in our video user manual for the TR212 showing, you know, how you can access your recordings and play them back and stuff like that. But that's basically a handy little trick to show you how you can dual record on the Triax TR212 and the TR212S Saorview box.